You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, passenger airbag, power steering, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.